Hey there, fitness fans. Listen, today I am getting ready to unbox something that is going to take your workout game to the next level. Yes, I was sent over from Body Factor this ab roller wheel. I am super excited about this, y'all. So if you're looking to tighten up your core and those abs, you're in for a treat. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what you're going to be getting.
Here's the star of the show, the ab roller wheel itself. You'll notice right away it's designed for serious performance with a sleek, sturdy look. The wheel is coated with a non-slip material, which means you can roll this baby out on just about any surface, carpets, hardwood floors, you name it, without leaving a mark. Next, check out these comfortable anti-slip grips. These handles feel great in your hands and give you all the control you need while you're working out. No slipping, no sliding, just smooth, stable rolling with every rep. But wait, there's more. You also get a pair of soft knee pads, perfect for cushioning your knees during those intense rollouts. Trust me, your knees will thank you. These pads anchor your workouts and keep you comfortable while you focus on your form. And finally, there's this elastic strength training system. The band provides some resistance on the way out and helps guide your roll back in. It's like having a personal trainer built right into your workout, ensuring you get the most out of every movement. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's talk about why this ab roller is a must-have for your home gym. Each rollout targets multiple muscle groups, your abs, hip flexors, shoulders, and even your back. It's a total body workout in one simple movement. Plus, that elastic band is a game changer. It helps maximize your results by adding resistance and controlling your return. So if you're ready to up your fitness game and carve out those abs, this ab roller wheel is where it's at. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this tool will help you crush your goals. Remember, if you like what you see, get yours today and let's get rolling.